Yeah. Well, let's talk about some of your favorite models. Like we talked a bit about Auto GPT, which is, have you heard of Chaos GPT? Like that's the one that's supposed to destroy the world.
Oh yeah, I mean that was just an instance of someone prompting. They named it Chaos-GPT, but it's actually some other system that's been prompted with the overall objective of destroying the world, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is that
Which is it?
outbound connected to the internet? 'Cause that seems like that would be a really bad idea to connect it the first time you tried it.
I
Are
hope
they? Is
not.
that sandboxed or what?
Like that's scary, bro. Like it's funny. It's funny that humans' primary concern with AI is that they're going to destroy the world, and then there's a human who prompts the AI to destroy the world. Like, you can't win.
Yeah.
Just can't win.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, because people spent all this time about what if the AI decides autonomously that it's a bad guy, and then you realize actually, yeah, you're just waiting for someone to type in, "You're a bad guy. Now do bad things." See, to what extent is it limited? Because for the thing is, there's so many GPT models out there that are open source that are, you know, OpenAI can put limits on GPT-4 as to what it will attempt to do and what it will refuse to answer and what it won't do. But there's always another model that is around the corner that's does as they're a little bit behind the state of the art, but they can't. The state of the art's moving so fast that there's going to be GPT-4 level open source stuff that you can run in a collab with no limits on it pretty soon. So you do. I do wonder in that circumstance, what do I do? Like, am I still automatically promoting everything that comes along at the point where people are making very easy to run kind of doomsday machines in collab? Or do I step in then?
Just moral.
And the question is, of course, if I just stop promoting that, there's no reason that's not going to stop everyone doing it.
Yeah, and someone might say, "Hey, that's a good idea," and you're not doing it anymore. I'll do it. Like so, it's a lot of
Well, this is
moral haggling.
that's exactly what happened with YOLO. Do you know the computer vision system?
No.
Which was what I did before collaborating was I was running Sensical, which is a computer vision company, and most of our stuff is based on versions of YOLO, which you only look once, which is a single shot image classifier. So some guy invented this really quite efficient way of telling the difference between objects and images. And he started that. But then he walked away from it in, I think, 2016, 17, somewhere around there, and just said, I've decided this is incredibly dangerous and I'm not going to do this project anymore. But he already released the source code to version, I think, 1 and 2. And so it has since been absolutely run with by the community. So there's YOLO at least up to, I've certainly used 6. I don't know how far they've gone up to so far, but it's now unbelievably accurate, unbelievably quick, and it took absolutely no notice of the originator of it deciding that it was dangerous and that you can't progress these things. But
have you seen Facebook's or Meta AI's latest computer vision model, segment anything model?